It began in New York City. A new idea for sound reproduction, never heard before. An idea that grew into decades of award-winning, high-performance amplifiers, each designed, crafted, and tuned by the world's finest engineers, artisans, and sound masters, all in creating the most musical sound.
In the early 1950s, Saul Marantz envisioned a completely new architectural idea for sound reproduction. In 1952, he began designing what will become the audio consulate, a hi-fi preamplifier designed for the home. And the Marantz Audio Company was born in 1953. From Saul's kitchen table to the listening rooms of the sound masters, the concept of the Marantz sound has continuously evolved in all our products for the past 70 years. The idea of reproducing the most musical sound is the driving force behind everything Marantz develops. Our extensive stereo amplifier line is equipped with plenty of Marantz hallmarks, including multi-layered chassis, copper shielding and copper terminals, toroidal transformers, and HEO streaming capabilities. These are all incorporated to help provide the musical sound that only comes from Marantz. Marantz developed its own discrete circuit boards called Hyper-Dynamic Amplifier Modules, or HDAMs. These replace the chip-based amps used elsewhere. With discrete surface mount components and short signal paths, HDAMs outperform standard integrated circuits. The result is more dynamic, accurate, and detailed sound. Over the years, Marantz developed different HDAMs to fit the unique requirements of each component. The power supply features high current, high speed Schottky barrier diodes and high current storage capacitors fed by a toroidal transformer. Together, these provide wide dynamic range and low impedance drive capability. Toroidal transformers have several advantages over normal EI core transformers. The highly efficient design delivers more power compared to the same size EI unit. In addition, the shape of a toroidal transformer reduces electromagnetic radiation and mechanical vibration. Marantz utilizes additional shielding and special mounting plates to further reduce those effects. The results are better sound quality and lower noise. The Marantz current feedback amplifier technology provides high-speed sound reproduction with wide bandwidth. In combination with the high current power supply, the amplifier holds a large enough energy reserve to easily drive even the most demanding speakers. Advanced thermal compensation avoids memory distortion for clean amplification under any circumstances. The Marantz Musical Premium Phono EQ stage can be used with either moving magnet or low output moving coil cartridges, thanks to a built-in moving coil head amplifier. This phono stage is engineered to deliver optimal sound quality by simplifying the signal path, which is vital for delicate phono signals.
The PM6007 is a 45-watt per channel integrated stereo amplifier with inputs for phono, analog audio, digital optical, and digital coaxial sources. The unit also includes a subwoofer output. The PM7000N stereo integrated amp steps up to 60 watts per channel. This unit adds HEO streaming capabilities and USB audio input. The PM8006 grows to 80 watts per channel and features the Marantz Musical Phono EQ pre-stage. It also provides preamp outputs and power amp direct inputs. The Model 40N features a copper chassis, a double shielded toroidal transformer, and a Class AB amplifier producing 70 watts per channel. It has a phono analog, digital, and HDMI inputs with a single set of speaker outputs. The Model 30 is an analog-only integrated amplifier with a triple-layer chassis. The phono stage accommodates both moving magnet and moving coil phono cartridges. Its Class D amplifier provides 100 watts per channel. The PM10 is a pure analog, fully balanced stereo amplifier. Its toroidal power supply delivers 200 watts per channel through its 100% copper terminals.
The Marantz line of stereo and network receivers offer everything from a sleek and simple unit for the budding hi-fi fanatic to a reference-level system for critical listening of your vinyl collection, even an amplifier that can provide high-res music streaming and high-performance audio for your video sources. Marantz stereo receivers provide what enthusiasts, hobbyists, aficionados, and audiophiles desire, the most musical sound.